My name is Jedediah Thoreau Waldo. Oh shit, there's a tick in my pants. My name is Jedediah Thoreau Waldo Lincoln Jefferson. You could call me Ned for short. And this is Quick Tips with Nature Ned. Let's continue. These are what you call stump shrooms. They grow wild in Northern California and the rest of the United States. They are inedible to any living being except for stumps. Plants. These right here you can eat. You want to make sure you watch out for sinkholes, because they will eat you alive. No, I cleared this trail off. We can use this trail now. Better for action climbing. You see this right here? Now this is a delight in the Northern California redwood forests. We have ourselves native Ritz crackers. Now you can eat this however way you like. I like to split them up. And then I lick off the in-betweens. Get a little bit of trail spice, and you got yourself a regular deli sandwich, finding it in the forest.